ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯦꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯚ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯂꯣꯛꯗꯥꯎꯟꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ COVID-19ꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯛꯗꯥꯎꯟꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯨꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯚ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ COVID-19ꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟꯗ ꯄꯨꯖꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯅꯦꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯈꯪꯅꯔꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯐꯤꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗꯩꯗ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗꯣꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯍꯟꯖꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯇꯁꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯂꯩꯅꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯚ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯇꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯪꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯦꯝꯗ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯣꯏꯁꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯅꯦꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯠ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯛꯁꯅꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ R. K. Brojenꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯖꯒꯦ.
Thakachari Gaurashyam masi amrumdari yamna phaba discussion gi oiba mongam lena lobi ai kanugi thanks a lot because adu kanugi 21 days lockdown akogi prime minister laukokra matung seida akogi sum virus gi mramdi kari makra sum akoina khanguba antagi leinaruba mayam jing sum share tominase dogi senai ta I am trained with the physics actually I physics background adu physics and mathematics ki tongan ba method khara sizinaraga akoina sijigi biological model kaya mukse akoi sum work tobuni hai tare sumna ado basic definition hai taraga di kanoje virus ki definition hai taraga di masije simplest form of living being hai bi hai maje akoigi ahingba jiba singi manungda changi taraga di ahingba oina dum work toba aduga ahingba jiba gi wangda lei taraga di makoisi asiba dum chap mana bida insan aduna makoije magi ahingba amsung asiba anigi intermediate form ni haina lobuju ai sigi COVID-19 se magi family sida sigi virus sigi family da magi tongan ba mayam legre aduga madugi mang deida aikoigi mayam thodo hona kanari magi SARS hai virus masi ju masigi family da manung changba amani ne lobu ya hai virus si magi magi generic level da hai targadi hai virus si magi 30 kb kilobyte 30,000 kilobyte 30,000 byte na sabani na lobu ya byte hai targadi koina ngasagi hujiki virus si koina sequencing to matamda magi simplest magi nucleotide ki basis oina magi long chain of nucleotide basis on la ya masiji asang masigi 30,000 bytes hai tare byte mumna magi ATCG hai ba sigi ahum sigi manungda oiba masigi long chain amani lobi aduga masigi sidaida coding hai ba maga nan coding hai ba maga section ani thon khai dei adu especially akoina maroina important orije coding region sida masiji gene 11 genes na mani sagat pani lowi hai ba 11 genes sigi manu sida akoina yengma matam sida asai virus na akoigi human sida ahama chang matam sida magi human cell sing sigi surface protein hai tare masiji interact tor matung da receptors na makoije accept torga kanki human gi cell mang desangaga matung torpa problem sing thor kadosi sing hai targati aduna ngasagi higher particular sigi virus si masigi सिजना अखोगी मसीजिगी से तोंगान तोंगान बा मगी geographical conditions दगी temperature pressure लेबा मैम सिंजे तोंगान तोंगान फैक्टर मैम ना influence तोये ना तोंगान तोंगान रिपोर्ट सिंग हाय अखोइना मसीजिगी in that perspective ते अखोइना कोनिगी डाटा खर खोमजिले डाटा माइनिंग खर तोये खुदमन हाय मतमदा सागे जापान ने वुहान सर्च दगी अहम थोखिबनि गसागी होजिकी covid-19 की पेंडेमिक से अदुगा मसीजिगी से अखोइना मसीदगी वुहान सर्च दगी तोंगा तोंगा मफुम सिंगदा असागी सख्र मतुंग सिदा असागी तोंगा तोंगा ब कंट्री सिदि सख्र मतुंग सिदा मखोइना तोंगा तोंगा बा एपिडेमिक सिगी कनजु थोले आइबा एपिडेमिक सिगी रेट से मसीजे तोंगा तोंगा कंट्री दा तोंगा तोंगा बा मगी रेट से ओय खुदमन हाय मतमदा असागी इटली द लेबा असागी the mode of infection, the rate of infection is much more than the rate of infection in France or Poland, something like that. So, some khara delay. Masi jita tak padi ngasai report sing the high jam apagi sigi se magi lairu geographical conditions, temperature, pressure management to one factor management going to get doing high. Ado sigi se akoina data mining to wis the akoina magi country taru khaki akoina data mining to kanogi one search ne adigi kanona Japan ne Korea ne akogi Nepal yaure adigi Italy gi khara makasmai to ko country taru ki akoina tongan ba magi sigi genome sing je akoina mine tawraga yeng matam jida asagi nucleotide da mutation thokpa na malei asagi mutation thokpa matam jida asagi problem ri thois cyber mutation thokpa je aikoina yeng matam jida certain specific asagi gene khara tam mutation ji thoe example na hai matam da asagi ORF1AB na ma yauri masi sirida phaidagi maximally mutated way tawi aduga magi masi jigi rate of mutations asiju khene Japan da masagi frequency je 2 oiba matam da masagi kanu da China da 3 oi adigi Nepal da 1 oi smaita na masagi frequency je tongan tongan sina takpadi masagi pandemic tholiba ngasigi frequency je sigi aiba akoigi virus na akoigi human ji changa matung tam kon thon mutation sigi rate sida depend tawra je ipu kutum lema hanabo wang ji adigi hojik akoigi leiba scenario je ani hai tare ahan scenario dana karino matam da sigi thoiba epidemic natraga pandemic se masi je control towa ma adigi ani suba scenario dana asagi masi control tobaga loina na ngasagi drug puthokpa vaccine puthokpa aduna sigi ayamba countries sing sida akoina data mayam je jengwa matam sida ngasagi masagi rate of infection je masi je exponential growth ta oina ayam lei adu masi gi exponential growth se masi je thugai ge hai tar gadi ngasagi tongan ba akoigi problem mayam ma akoina खनबगी मथौ तायना लवी अखोई सोलमदा अखोई सिदा तौइसिना like simplest ngasagi form of mathematics sai tare graph theory natraga network theory ji palaga aikoina to asagi infect toriba asagi city sing jaga sing je aikoina masina note oina lauraga magi route sing hai tare ne train gi lambi bu oiro digi bus gi lambi bu oiro natraga flight gi lambi bu oiro makoi sing sina ngasagi way of infection ngasagi kanu je lauraga adjust on lauraga madudigi aikoina controllability of the asagi infection che yengaga aikoina predict toba ma adigi ani subadana asagi vaccine puthokpa si hoji bawgi oina di matam khara sangi dobo mali na loinamak pauji loinamak phange asagi adubu asagi nahan ormale kanogi cell fresh ta magi paper magi German ki kambusing na magi paper ma phonge habe paper sti da asagi particular surface protein namakhat asagi makoina semi habe surface protein si madudigi mangdo magi TRPSS 2 na ma habe protein si china asagi makoina clinical trials to matam sti da asagi musigi coronavirus gi ngasagi surface protein sina ngasagi receptor sida sang matam sina block tawena open hai adu block taw ta gadi once machine block taw ta cell digi receptor mang sang bodo sina kai block taw kita gadi aikona maduna ngasagi vaccine thong bagi asuba ai cell mang sang ta gadi dum aikona kan mag sap mana aduna madugi sang na bagi madugi matang ama ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯦꯟ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯄꯤꯅꯥꯁꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯦꯁ ꯗꯩꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯄꯦꯄꯔ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯔ ꯃꯥꯜꯂꯦ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯐꯣꯡꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯤꯟ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯇꯨꯗꯩꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯤꯀꯦꯜꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯀꯝꯄꯥꯎꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯚꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯥꯖꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯀꯥꯂꯤꯐꯣꯔꯅꯤꯌꯥ ꯁꯥꯟ ꯗꯤꯒꯣ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯚꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯃꯦꯜꯗ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁꯀꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯕꯇ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯇꯦꯛꯅꯤꯛ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯛꯁ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯃꯦꯊꯃꯦꯇꯤꯛꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯜꯇꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯅꯥꯂꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯜꯇꯤꯐ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯅꯥꯂꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯦꯅꯣꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯖꯤꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯣꯁ ꯏꯐꯦꯛꯇꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯁ ꯁꯦꯟꯁꯤꯇꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯔꯤꯖꯜ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁꯇꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯔꯤꯖꯜ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯖꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯁꯦꯝ ꯁꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯦ ꯄꯦꯄꯔ 3-4 ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯄꯦꯄꯔ 4-5 ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯦꯄꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯦ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯟꯁꯤꯇꯤቭ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯣ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤቭ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯣ ꯅꯦꯒꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁꯅ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯦ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯁꯦꯞꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯐꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯐꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯁꯤꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯆꯦꯟꯖꯦꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ
ꯃꯊꯪ ꯗꯁꯥꯟꯇ ꯀꯔꯤ
ꯁꯥꯟꯇ
ꯄꯥꯎ
Hoi, thank you, Gaurashyam. Tamu Brojen na sig introduction of falan pipi re ko ai kamaina virus si sandok ke dugum hagi tongan ba science ke matang ka pi khat moroi line haning bodi ku virus se hujiki covid have laina sam contagious oiba tamna sadokan balena oiba du mag awan ju pandi ke ba exponential growth ai do ekhoi growth se makhan myam le ekhoi chumna linear growth aduga simple growth natraga exponential growth haiba simple growth ne ekhoi masen tawka tingsin tumna tingsin bai type to ba exponential growth haidi puri na butuna sen ani le ani de mari ni pan de tra adumai lak po no growth to ne do jiki khoi sathi si covid-19 ke coronavirus in to sin exponential growth ohanba aduna mi ani tore ani si keno aiga to pamaga infect to ain mo amun infect to mathang jam thuna growth to khibaduna am sathi ba laina oibaduna because completely lockdown to bada ka loi dune aduga amu mafam infection thingai ta ga di mayam si keno social distancing ohenba to wai si keno khanda once aikoge adima sandok kam na obina kitang aikoina mi mana infect to mi ma ga du aikoina thengu ba natraga aikoina so boy ta aiko virus changba ki chance lai ne ba no aiko thengnatraga unatraga di aduki keno mai kakpanga mena dun kakpanga be ko social distancing oi learn to ne do asida mukta uski sai haiba taum Brojen pan bi ki ba hoige route sing route thukai ba hadi bus khang de train khang de transport aduga flight khang de sing do kakta ga de mu adi magi incubation to aiko incubation to matam budi leja do amona extend to khibda marakta thukai badu ne aiko plan adi government to plan che aduna traga de num expansion adi expansion to ga laina se am helakadoi ne na virus infect of the at least 14 days faudi I see normal human being em ta I the kemta anabal lai le the khangutim after 14 days to infect of kan da dugi symptoms sing laga henegonda safung laga khangakte ne aduna quite sathi se good for 114 days sida I infect of sai ni khangda so I get techno mean the I go the virus to non transfer to within na keno transfer to within na ina control I social distancing to ga transfer to tara hona budune budaka hoise Uji tongan tonga ek government so aduga health care professional World Health Organization aduga in same minus akogi World Health Organization makada mo vaccine development ki try ma'am to ka duna tom Brojen su panbi ki wadi matang to adu maroi na hoji corona jam chathi sina koi social distancing la kan sida ma'am the effect hole ade koi punat apun patham to ba yad re kaise work ade school college everything closed to raige officing closed to ta me do Asijam effect of Simaro and Akogi daily wage earners, Akogi marginalized section of the society, Mojam effect of Mongasino was a Pesata Saba, Nasi Posey Yolo Charger, Badu Kampujam effect, Jam Mangje, but the Mangbutan, I did Mangmutan Mosikamba, Lactra, the Moinam, I did Chab Fang the Vogedu problem to Lake, I do not go men so Adugita Mukta to Anber, I did Mogita Mukta. I got food assistant ke pin in lao thok pus ka lao thok du I hope government na matam chana to gom chu sangeba bado quite important oi sidi aina ade khon check to lokat pa section thong dai kanam da pun da bado at least kerum so ta su khutsa seng na ham dok pa aduga sanitizer sin ba adu matam punok ta khoi ki exam ke keno atop test to I could hang the pot test to no honor even hang a power effect of the hang did not adu honor the car oi aduga adu hosipu I am back am to learn walk home to make I could down Brojen to get Gaurashyam town Bimol I could walk I could office pay administration productivity the completely economic perspective lagta so economic downfall like ama lakpagi film leba aduna hana de hona India government economic film phat adu amken asina we are going down hill adu lakpane na khoina jam kai asida kamai to no economically film si phagadhana baidi work from home to na social distancing lai na kamai to ga khanbam su da kalai ga adu sing to de khoina adi or economists government of the Khaleda Isana, Janka pump productive or Beaba, more digital economy Lahanba, Aduga Adu sing donum Adu Tobusuda Kale. I could Hujiki maths Kamai no mathematical biology, mathematical modeling to epidemiology Toga, Monakamina expand to Gesiki infections, Yamadema the command set Kadusam, Ziam Tonaredo, Tom Brojen and grain of the I did. Aduna isu jam aida jam kan pan raga so when I forget mafam to ta adi once infect them to ta di ma koi bado adi exponential growth and ma koi bado adi wa infect or I get kana mi kya pul ke I get root to the mi ka thene ke adu singuloina mo check to mo under quarantine to thamba aduga mo test I did a test of look kai kare and more infect over to try to see much jam chauba can on it's a big obstacle I did come on Manipur no pim sama COVID na do malak lambi to technique ba to mina ma to fly to mina pa adu anything ma pull up jagasing the kana infect adu mo chikala mo sipuna quarantine I did the cause it's a big challenge for everyone ramdi moi magtama I did my secondary ke ma thengno ba mu dun dan to do ga ma thengno expand to sorry jam dangerous oi ba aduna sigom asi am challenging oi boy na egoi sana follow to ga am kai mi ga samna da na ba sana control to social distancing am kai lamna da adi to no hona ba ta ka lai adu even cha tho jo egoi essential oi pochai lai tho ga sam tho so government na haire khoi jum curfew le jata so essential de khoi pochai lo ba da ka lai I say of I cheng chak lei de ya do at least chatar mapum adi pot dukan chalo sama tor so at a minimum 2 meter distance thamba aduga jaim kai khut sa thenga dana hona ba aduga even kenom tas tor so khut sa ham do padumai tor section thorang tawba du dang adumai tawraga de khoi kidang nga thop ngam ning khale adu natana de adi there's no way out I could suppose the way out or the I asimat ay makata no matopa la ko ay matang si dadi lo sila taon Bimol na makata no num social impact ki matang kitang habi yan
First of all, thank you for inviting me for this discussion. I know ne yum da ngarang 21 days ki mamang dagi sidadi moina first week ama prime minister of to dagi ko yum da loin lai ko sia asigi lockdown se another 21 days amaga tong hai road di aina tham se ko koi Brojen ga na sant na budi hai ga masi kadai de hobo ya ge dai holistic perspective on the hana yeng se ko laina se karino haidna hana nei na ko laina is what is disease. See, WHO ke World Health Organization na 1948 iwa definition am deko. Masigi definition se mathaw yam type ke pe. Yam relevant ore mari yam dai kare uchi ko. High level definition se da moina kari tige da disease is a complex phenomena produced by interaction between three factors cycle. As in hypermane individual hypermane environment and hypermane laina is a mitu ubode nariba mi to the win the laina se koina mangonda symptom kari kari tholai monda kari kari sign and symptom hai moi medical terminology da ko mit na uba kodagi koina infer to ba ya ko mina sign and symptom hai se ko aduna laina si uba da koina mi du gi haksang da magi body individual da na boin hui masigi outlook si Taduoga WHO na 1948 way back on and they had a individual laina si individual ka to ubana tab individual hypermane as in hypermane environment and hypermane factor ahum sina interact or ga puthok pani haina lowe ko so when you intervene then laina set mine u ram the laina set thingna na bona bada mo what ahum si gi interaction mo si yeng le individual ne as in ne environment so jiki nangi akoi usin tholai ba coronavirus ki matang se mi malari individual ma ko adagi ngasai virus covid-19 ne sin agent ne do never individual ne agent adagi magi environment ibam chulai ne ko magi kadai dagi thola ino masi kamai sustain tawi kamai ne spread tawi ai magi environment siga mari laina kan thoktu malarial parasite khongban motpa kang pokpu dagi adagi nari bami ahum chi interact sumaina laina se koi hana masakhang no chang ko anana it is not the individual but it is an interactions of these three factors that are affected ahum china tholak pa interaction am dagi tholak pa ne ko na si mi na laina na hais so si wara kan di ko no si thengnari ba coronavirus ki laina se kai no da nari ba mi habum dai le asian ngasai gi covid-19 naina it's one form of coronavirus makalam hai hana familiar with the anova mathula pane hai ko aduga akoi human gi hujik lai di banangi environment sin ba ahum sidiki tholak pa laina si akoina sini ena ubam sang anaba mi patana ala akoi ngasai Brojen na hai ba research to bom matam ngasai gi agency gi nature se karino masigi virus gi nature se karino magi protein kopiba fatty substance na karino kamaina kam koini hingi kari tawraga hat pa yai sina so you it's a type of intervention that you look at the agent to the hana thi ne ko adagi karamba mi dana hena sigi virus na changom ni kuding ma manade ko magi hana additional complication like diabetes like heart problem like ko adagi magi age ai kharang sahi karani bami dana hen shoe na magi individual variable and su mulai di ko adun laina asen in of the virus sigi nature agency ki nature sin kaino individual sigi nature sin karam mane hen locally magi resistance magi prognosis paningai ki chance su individual na kari lai haiba mo ahum su badana karamba environment na hena sandorakani masi kamai tawni haibagi pot amang changakadoi sina akoina pot che hana understand tawna hona bada akoina coronavirus covid-19 ki definition of laina different forms of intervention je environment the target or kan na sa akoina lockdown ga tawraiba adagi mi punjana ta bona raiba ko individual target na kutu na hamu adagi lokhu do khumjalu this is targeting the individuals aduga virus sigi nature si leibina sapon mana ha masu khutsi aikogi 20 second mu ha mu kai yuna da magi any sapon na the alcohol contain yawo 60% something can be alcohol contain yawo nangi sanitizer sina ha mu ai na sai fatty magi kano si virus sigi ko yawo the result of report ma minor so these are different strategies masini akoina ahambada akoina visit uriba laina se karino se kamain chingino se no different strategy environmental target over individual target over virus target over this is the broad one masi uraga di laina isi ubada individual biological issue khakta natre masi akoi social behaviors yaure ko haidi chathokono ai mham da chathopa dagi mai pai ga har pai bi khut hangano haraga na hamo haraga na ham da bi so behavioral component yaurakani the nature of the agent yaurakani environment loina mo yaurakani so this is the first thing that we need to understand what is this disease is all about second part akoina clinical haidana narak pada individual katang target orga heart laina na heart specialist ne gi ama lai ko individual centric treatment ko sina taba clinical na taba akoina public health aina entire community se affect or matam da di focus is shift out it's part of medical profession but they call it social preventive medicine haina sha SPM ko rim su genin su department like community medicine ha so different public health issue mo ra ka aduna clinical oina mi amaktang na bada lying na bo na bagi strategy amana public health issue in a lot of bagi pot ama masigi pot sida akoina yenga ko matam na nangi first lockdown to race magi kadai de la ino da WHO na ha ma epidemic ha na ma de pandemic ha there's a difference between the two yamna quickly spread or pot laina si ni kada tuna affect or ko se ko epidemic ko ha nei ko multi technical term da anduga pandemic ha na across geographical area parks and narak pa country na social pa mi na so in pandemic na so WHO has upgraded the money epidemic ko le had me that it was in the pandemic or had a global phenomena so these are called public health issues it's not a clinical issue of one individual adugi cd second layer amale masida akoina lockdown tawriba poche masinga sai public health issue da sandoraktana ba kaino the contagious obini mi amaga samnaraga sandorakko potni na ko this one contagious over there this is my medical terminology the like infectious cyber contagious cyber the person to person spread of both the when contagious over na mi se yari samna na ba na ba never lockdown this is what aduna tagadi bari sandoki da nangi hoji india da 1000 beds less than 1% like don't tobani infrastructure se kesu like ya koi Manipur da ne han tin su on to mali ai khange ko medical the other the akang hi na Manipur so hang the matau tar whether our infrastructure se matik chana leira bra sandora di masi epidemic na pha on sandora di ko handle to no infrastructure leira bra ventilator kayam leire ICU kayam leire high finishing si inform when hangam to obni ko so se Manipur da I think global na leira iba problems ko yum so ki sama leire higher so lockdown se this is it's a one preventive nature but it's not enough WHO ki director general Dr. Tedros nang press conference over the FIFA ga moi pula am taw nen taw rin ko and keep the virus out and campaign and how nen taw he said it's a defensive football lamana metaphor am nor mana WHO ki director general ke haga see defensive play never but football you can't play defensive you have to have an attacking game you will not win so our fight against COVID-19 cannot be confined to defensive strategy which is lockdown se dima has defensiveness in And the overwhelmed term is the infrastructure level. The breathing space whatever. But if you want to win against this COVID-19, then you have to have an attacking game. Mana han hybrid virus vaccination tuna vaccine putuna one about magi curative medicine of Brojen. So it's going on research, but they are not coming anytime soon. Matam changini human trial gi and the protocol mayam nga the ethical issue it takes time. So it's not going to come anytime soon. But virus is here in our environment. Akoi marakta lay the virus ni masi thingnaba ma changeba ko aduna attacking game the name of vaccine sanaba curative tono see prevention to spread to the lockdown individual each individual should also be responsible for aina ma sama upase ai to na ngak thuk chana badana teba it's also not to spread to others, so it's a responsibility towards myself as well as towards others. Masaya na individual behavior component ka hai so we need to have multiple ways of doing it. Lockdown so it's one part. Mathangda aina akoigi social psychological hierarchy WHO has also taken care of it. Panic creator whenever means depression chalatana anxiety tawna katukaran tawko suya or people can crack down adu tawdana ba WHO gi advisory the moi haisi pau jugo chadaba yamna yenganu Facebook tani khangde natraga WhatsApp tani khangde ko daga inform oiba mi doctor gumba professional singer when wari sao mi to pate ta panga saraga fake news na nangi anxiety to helakani and a psychological component ko then more people advisory the yaw say it's a very normal advice ko and positive stories to tao in luckily many people have recovered death rate to yam pon affect all me to see we in the but as such, terminally ill or cancer, the psychologist tells you as a component, it's not a death sentence. Even when you are diagnosed with HIV or cancer, it's not a death sentence. No, everybody will die. The media, Mr. India, worry HIV now also. Life goes on, so you don't take it identify the senior identity because the attitude inculcate na psychological component higher than information then also do some creative activity yum the later larik padana the appropriate positive or the life goes on and the death sentence that even cancer patient is not the death sentence, the diagnosis is not the death sentence for you. Life goes on. Psychotherapy the Victor Frankl and Australian psychiatrist concentration camp the logotherapy and so that you can survive during the concentration camp. You have to have a positive memory. Continue to do small things that you do in your life. Be positive about life. I do minor psychological component. Now the last one which I want to talk about is social dimension of that one. Society the kari folake the society ngasai koi santa ngasai flake out nangi daily ways energy kari anxiety is laina du binata the thaina akoi noining jang bra khangde akoina school tamile dana naba working na saprai sai disi tongra gi ngabong khaw hai bra gi the lie gi chak thungde hai bra horen kari chagani lie gi lie mani nam dai ni sai ko adumaina mi gi daily ways ana sinsi they will have additional nang laina to gi tension na ta sa do no kamai to bi no ai sida masi administration authority na respond the wom changani akoi de civil society cs oga su yam lai bane dubo yam insulated over mindset mali eta thonga na da kondong khare je agida nan facebook ta so mani chen agida o kondong saman khai do la ka do gari na ti mai ni lit pa ya ni ko bi nu kai tawre akoi insulated over mind the thing in person tai se akoi laikai gi missing na su ma se if they know already social responsibility hai kare ko like I club, not to go organization. So if they know that such and such individuals are daily wage earner, you don't only rely on government. As a citizen, as a collective effort, you should take care of these people. That like I club should act. ina kunba leiram gani ni masakta ka deni when you have a crisis. This is the time kunai is karam makhan gi mina leibu kunai no karam bazati no isa moi gi response to crisis in ta kadam amaga mago kunna dana sidana dana, which is a typical character. I've seen it in my life a lot in our society. In ba bina biningwa dagi Republic of Sampong versus Republic of Oripokan, and how I am journalism on the Fazito to the aduna masigi segmented over maraksida aikogi response ngangan uni when you faced with a crisis, how your government and authority respond, how you as the public and your institution, not only the state institution but also the civil institution respond. And I give opportunity my appeal to Manipuri public the haido haidagadi laikai na masak khangbiba laida ta aikogi karan nangba waba kangbu se we try to help them out in this period, and government should also do something about mobilizing police. How do we remember say para the two in the hand nganga biya damne koi di law ponga akamping ang di mi sida bi lakna boy kari boy ta we it's in our blood, but still we can change. State police naga say food naga ta do I think the government should advise them to distribute and help people on this like kindness, you know, it's an all round respond ma changa drai na khali akoi no di kengali ba poche adu natraga di population pick pa jagani if anything God forbid spread along tawraga di laidi ba infrastructure dagi kali dagi we will collapse to the danger and like aina masida ngarang hanla aina thengagi ba no ai taba madile the Laina nariba missing the Mapanda Tanga no Pusalina politically correct or kind of masi Taudabakai, they are victims. Nariba missing the culprit nate, Mo is a victim. It's a globally transmitter of Panimigi. Sidasus have the Tampo, the Mayum that at the Nitrinum, Tinjalakani, the give was a little salo trinum, Tinjani. Nayum Chalo and Walker Lloyd Hadore Tavok the Gipasek, it's a tragic moment, it's a chaotic in some sense. And the victims in the way money put up Pisala in or 2000 and a victim blaming say Yariga of the fight, must see like what I'm seeing I know that why am I saying without they are victim, not culprit, must see a informed manner of the so we need to respond individual behavior responsible or within a like I would appeal that you also do the same thing, help out kana like say and as I said, it's a crisis. We can change if we have not been the society that we want to be. And over Kunayama saying is every crisis gives you an opportunity to change yourself. Let's see whether we can do it. And all around coordination and Sangatangkal. Otherwise, this is one of those rare occasions in the world when you have this kind of a pandemic. The virus is going to be here. Curative medicine is not coming anytime soon. Vaccine is not going to come anytime soon. Lady infrastructure, Manipuri medical infrastructure is going to be a tough if it becomes an endemic epidemic. Like Italy, we need to fight it. In the process, we can change ourselves as a society.
Marak Tanna, KhutSem Live, Juji Yang Biriba, the Ngarang Su, Narang the Yang Biriba, KhutSem Live, viewers in the Mukana, Nixing Jaligo Pamamana, Tongan Ba, fields in they feel the expert way about panelist, Nasina, Nasi, I be using Taraga, Narang, Akoiji Manipuri, film industry. Daro mina hairamba wazingduga loisalakpada conclusion je ama iman manabadong tawri manarisi kaino hair kanida last aikoi responsible oina kari act tawdage aikoi miyoi khunai ama oina aikoi amaga mateng pangnaraga hinginnaba khaktangna koi handaki laiba pandemic sigidagi go through tawraga matungda chatharaga hinginnaba ngamni na haibajima conclusion ama oibadawna dum tawe marakta thoiba social issues mayamjina dagi irresponsible behavior mayam abidi kanadaba ipau sandokpa na chingba tawba mayamsi ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯦꯜ ꯀꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯨꯖꯟꯁꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯟ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯊꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯕꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯏꯟꯚꯣꯜꯚꯃꯦꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯪꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯛꯎ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯦꯅꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯔꯤꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯄꯦꯅꯦꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯦꯜꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯔꯠ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯗ ꯇꯥꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯖꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯋꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯏꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁꯤꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯗꯨꯃ ꯇꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯉꯔꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯦꯅꯦꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯝꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯛ ꯊꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯄꯦꯅꯦꯂꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯌꯥꯃꯨꯡ ꯁꯥꯟꯇ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯚ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯁꯦꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯆꯠꯊꯕꯤꯌꯨ
ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯕꯤꯃꯣꯜꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥ ꯑꯃꯇꯪꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯤꯝꯇꯣꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯤꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯛ ꯊꯨꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯐꯤꯚꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯝꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯇꯣꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯅꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯇꯣꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯕꯃꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯛꯇꯤꯁꯅꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯃꯈꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯍꯧꯕ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯐꯪꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯨ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯖꯤꯁꯁꯦ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯨ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯨꯗ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯁꯤꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯀꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯟ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯤꯄꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯤꯅ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯅꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯕꯦꯇꯤꯁ ꯅꯥꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯍꯥꯔꯠ ꯗꯤꯖꯤꯁꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯏꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯟ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯦꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯗꯥꯎꯟ ꯇꯧ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯁꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯅꯥꯕꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯅꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗꯤꯡꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯀꯤꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯃꯟꯕꯗꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯕ ꯂꯣꯠꯁꯤꯟꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯒꯜꯂꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯜꯂꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯅꯥꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯄꯤꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯗ ꯂꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯕꯤꯃꯣꯜꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯈꯤꯗꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯅꯦꯁꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯗ ꯅꯥꯔꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯅꯥꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯤꯌꯣꯔ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯛꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯅꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯥꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯨ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯥꯏꯁꯣꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯥꯏꯁꯣꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯟꯗ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯃꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯐꯥꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯐꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯤ ꯄꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯥꯇꯥ ꯃꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯔꯤꯄꯣꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯥꯁꯤ ꯑꯅꯥꯕꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ 14 ꯗꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ 14 ꯗꯦꯖꯅ ꯄꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯉꯟꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯚꯥꯏꯂꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯁꯤꯟꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯀꯣꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯅ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯇꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯁꯤ ꯗꯥꯇꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯅꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯇꯣꯝꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯊꯧꯅꯥꯗꯨ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯗ ꯁꯔꯥꯎꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯏꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯜ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁꯤꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯔꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯁ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯨ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯡꯀꯣꯡꯁꯦ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯁ ꯗꯦꯟꯁꯂꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ inhabited city ne hai world gi manung da adu masi je mokhoina yam laina mokhoina control do ngam je masi gi moroi ba maram di ngasai gi individual responsibility and the surrounding responsibility mayam ji equally satmina ga du ga ngasai gi mayam ji amana maga support komina ga du ga ngasai gi laina ji na ba mi je jengna boin u da bi da ngasai gi yam moral and physical support nam ji bi bi ga punna thengmina ta ga ngasai laina ji kan baga loina loina ngasai gi sandoku matam dagi ju yam thina kare ta kan mangani ni masi ai asani madugi one city da ju sina da ju madumani thokri ji mayam ji aham epidemic se hek phat thokpa matam ti di ngasai gi khana dam ngasai exponential growth ni lakri adu matung dagi di masi ji gi mayam ji je punna social awareness mayam ji masi mayam social awareness ji da tai je doctor khadagi natraga ama khadagi wa khadaju nati masti loi tonga ba health care gi adu gi dai mayam loi mak changi mayam ji punna jan tamina ga duga fajana o si nari jing je masi je akhoi gi naba nati akhoi punna masai gi sandoktan ba aduga laina nari ba masadu ju kalhong ba madu gi mayam ji perspective gi nga thabak se tong punna tong na ta ga di masi gi laina je kai tare sandok pada masai gi yam asoba athing bam je lejarani aduga nari ba mi du kan ba ya gi khudong sa ba ji yam wang le ni ne ai asa to singai ni pandani ba se
ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯎꯟ ꯕꯣꯔꯖꯦꯟ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯇꯥꯎꯟ ꯕꯤꯃꯣꯜꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯨꯛꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯨꯛ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯦꯜꯄꯤꯡ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯑꯦꯁ ꯑꯦ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯏꯊꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯟꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯈꯟꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯄꯤꯗꯦꯃꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯦꯃꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯥꯃꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯚꯤꯛꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯤꯛꯇꯤꯃꯥꯏꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯚꯤꯛꯇꯤꯃꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯟꯗꯕꯤꯗ victim on khalaga mon masi support obega id mon hendoktanaba atei da so laktanaba honaga as a society puna to mina thaga di adi society go nai adi khalaga ma mateng pangaga keno do boy thaga di tung koi nai di sandok adi akon control to mateng control to ubada hena akon help to ngamni khale aduga adu mathakta mu isa jo losin kitang naaga adi jang ko isa section baduga naag ta aga so hoi ta gui cha baduga ek na ba to kano de ha am pabiram ne ek na ba to chapin na to bida tanaga one day ngai chi ato guli chap subside to daga di hegalaga de ha symptom chin du laga di contact to raga I test to thok pa mathang chana aduga ke to pa ya badum to thok ta ga di ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯥꯏꯁꯣꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯝꯄꯣꯔꯇꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯨꯛ ꯏꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯨꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯆꯠꯇꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯅꯦꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯕꯨꯛ ꯂꯩ WhatsApp lay no socially din bob to da ka sange do this scale distance lay ta so socially di closer oibam changen hainingi asidang nei na thamning ba go
oza oza makha haibini ba mayamda kari kari
ai ngasai noi aina hyper express tawidane aina amuk kitang elaborate tawai din ai ngasai haise laina se kama yengi definition kama yengi approach ke lei mama hai gre ko sa aina ngasai hai dei di koi sa ne thai din aina ta ba nuai ta ba koi bi anaba mi sida tainaraga moina pusalai kai no kai ngang wi tai thingna bom yaw ba do I think it's bad akoigi saman ga khaja leiba nature je khoi jam insulated oiba society dona ai mappa matop su toi ko police na pu chai bi India ai re na 1860 ki British ki colonial period na regime nga na ko ho mo police ni hoji ko IPC ge lei chen je akoi police system je India da regime defendant hai citizen defender ta ba ruling tawriba kangbu do defend tawna ba siang yo police adu ki legacy lai bani police reform commission am siam na ju hong am da tum lai sin da khoi na khara arm conflict ka lai be area ai ba khare ha na brutal go to hai ta re khara pu chai bi culture se khoi society ki tam ta wo kap tha ra mai te ron da ai sin ni ka pu ra ga da me chillura pu ra ga da pu ga yura de ura gumba la ki ni usina da bi sidana bi nature khoi da ka yaw zam ne ha na society da aduna ne ina crisis aman nang kan ne ko new form of society nang weakness society si khunai si weakness se kai no amadi ma gi strength se kai no si u ne ko aduna anoba ama muk semau na bi chance I will give you one example. If you have been educated in Mumbai Pune Mumbai rom da ko khoi na amba adagi graduation ga loiraga Delhi la kan da ko Delhi ki bus to ma ina da na ta humang nam thina da ga Bombay da na bus nge pareng ngai na mi je ka khat pe culture am lei ko mase ni na sem ne mase Ribeiro ina police commissioner or na college sat student me am sin na ga hogdo ki bacha na bi ne so chana bi ma hogdo ko ke su kai te ko na crisis la kan da akoi handagi active oiba civil society group ni khangde laikai club ni khangde yausang sports level club mayam ni khangde ko ai na haije badi community life ama reinvent to ngambra amuhanna akoi je too much individual se wangang ba di aikoi ai haiba thadong na si aikoi haiba kaina the psychology the projection ko bune masada deeply individual ego wang se mingon da khodom bi tin tin na adu ni ego wang ni du ni to le se ko adagi ai khoi hai ba thadu asi ai khoi hai jiga wangang da di ta ba yam ngai ba ai hai ba du ma ka khoi hai bu khoi ma sing yam khala gang yo to na khoi ma sing yam na group kam le ge ngo koi Manipur da community ma se ma ki group le ba din na mai tai mara ka su group kam le ge ngo ba du na ai khoi hai se hai da khoi du ni ha na yaman na jing ngang ri bi mam le gi ne ko na ta so individual responsibilities ma da ai hai ba is important so how you behave as an individual Nangi nasagi conviction, nangi nasagi commitment, nangi responsibility as an individual citizen is important. You said that I must be responsible. Second, na hai ba I mayam do na punjal la kan semba ai koi hai bani koi na te ba ai mayam ne na punjal la emba community life ama lai ba koi da khara mangda rak ma le ba lai kai gi kari gi lai mayam sina khangna ram ngani kai no lai kai da kana khara nang na lai wa ba lai ibu ta da ma ma kai dauri hai na lai kai du na initiative lauraga Thai chingbu khoi kariba singen kari ma khoi bi lai ta ba tong na ba to kariba ai ka ne singlup kai lai ba do adu gi tai ta khoi ching contribute tong lai da ana khara nang ba imu da lai kai na tawraga club na tawraga dum yen pok pa ya bo po ne ai na kan ba so crisis is a moment where we can reinvent ourselves as a collective community level da ko sakar ka tang ai bi ma thau ta di sarkar su si and responsibility how do I will go they must be doing I think they are doing it but there are things which they need to do also moina tawhom thopa kharadi tawri aduga kharse na tawhom thopa ju moi dum tijasanu moi da nata bida miyam individual level da collective level da societal level da so laikai gi level da so koina aikoi gi collective khunai moi gi karam ithos ama culture ama mon sem ya bagi haibase ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ opportunity ꯅꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ we can help that community life singluka laydo reinvent tawboni khangde anaba imungdana kari mateng pangba yai ada lairabana kai tawba that is how I think if we are a mature society leadership singtina lawba ngamagadi I think it is an opportunity to see how like I say I see individuals exist tawdamni ngan it's a collective we possibly will die together philosopher Heidegger and Amalera Mimana atom bomb putorapu matamda Second World War atom bomb if I remember correctly he said matamam the me is a individual death never ni nothing sidene ko was it collective annihilation ama collective death ama possible way is and that is no time that we are all connected ai ina khuli ga ina virus na gunda kana no afaw no mai pai bina kana no paisa pai ba crore pati na kana no lair ba kana no ga ina COVID-19 na ga di usipi ba jana ti na ina khuli gunda ne ga ina dum equally treat out ne at the end of the day we are all human beings we are liable to die we will die it's not liable we'll die one day ana pulap dai minari sigi punsi si masak khangan mane ru uraga di yam pagani I think what I'm saying is every crisis gives us an opportunity to reinvent ourselves akoi anoba kunayama anoba mioi individual level ani handi kunayama oina anoba kunayama simnabagi machak ne ngomba I have seen in my childhood akoi na lekai gi singminabada ichen iche ma mata da mayam thola singminabagi collective life so I have been out of homestead for more than 30 years now they could try aduna tum thok da du community ki sense mang da no way I think it is singlup ki leiba kangbu da gi ni khangde laikai ki club te ni khangde community life ama helping each other say invent over ya right there I would like to appeal to all local clubs and all singlups in Manipur da leiba singlup putting local club putting ta laikai da kar kan nang ba sing da mateng pangba collective oina saman khajan bagi mota laikai chingjen bagi mota madum tang tawuragadi koi si nungai ni we can look forward to a better future
haroi ngasi ngasi numit khudingi pung amam chathajabani na ngasi gi unadi COVID-19 gi maramda live discussion tawbaje thang sida loisin jaba tare ado amuka hanna kugi yamung Brojen adagi tasanta amukanna matam mayamgi damakta matam spend tawbigi damakta amukana thagatsari adagi hꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯗꯥꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯍꯔꯥꯎ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯝꯗꯕ ꯂꯝꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒ ꯆꯩꯔꯥꯎꯕꯒꯁꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁꯇꯤ ꯇꯧꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯦꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯀꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨꯗ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯦꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯀꯤ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯨꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯚꯤꯌꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯔꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯇꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯌꯦꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯚ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟꯗ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯌꯔ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁꯤꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯦꯗꯣ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯦꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯀꯤ COVID-19ꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯀꯁꯟ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨꯡ ꯗꯌꯥꯟꯇ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ
Okay, thank you.